Hi students, welcome to plus 2 computer class. In this video we are going to continue the special tags of HTML. In this video we are going to discuss 3 tags. First one is pre-tag and second one is address tag and third one mark you. Okay, the tags are first one is pre-tag, second one is address tag and third one is mark you tag. So these 3 tags we are going to discuss in this video section. Okay, so we will start with pre-tag. Pre-tag means this is a container tag. Container tag means we can include any of the information or any paragraph or sentence or a poem, whatever it is we can write. For example, if it is a poem, then definitely there will be some kinds of alignment. 4 lines in second alignment, left alignment, and the next 4 line in right alignment, again 4 left alignment, like that. That means alignments will be different. So in some of the information, suppose we want to represent some information as a web page format, their alignment or their representation will be different. For example, suppose we want to represent it in described format or whatever format you want to display, then you want to use pre-tag. Okay, with the help of an example, I will explain how pre-tag is working or how we are getting output when we are using pre-tag in our HTML document. So please look at the picture. In the example, in your textbook, one example is given. In that example, pre-tag is present. It is used for displaying pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text. That means suppose we want to display the content as we entered in the text editor, then we can use pre-tag. Then look at the example. In that example, body BG color, that value that is known as hexadecimal code. Text also we are giving another color. So inside the body tag, we are using 2 attributes. One is BG color and second one is text. Then after that, inside the pre-tag, we represented some information. That means anything written in pre and closing pre-tag will be displayed as it is in the HTML document. In which manner we are representing, in that exactly the same manner we will get the output. Please look at the output web page. Don't pollute water. Next line, there is some, is there any left margin is present? No, you don't want to give any of the space. In whichever manner we are representing, that text will come in the web page itself. That is the speciality of pre-tag. Okay, pre-tag is used for displaying pre-formatted text. It is a container tag, opening tag and closing tag will be there. Whatever content you want to include that inside the pre-tag. Then once the description or the information is over, we can close. You don't want to include any of the spacing attribute like align attribute, whatever it is you don't want to write, you just write, then whatever information you describe inside the pre-tag, it will come on the web page. Clear? So this is the first tag, pre-tag. Then second tag is address tag. Address tag. For representing address, for example, in a web page, suppose you want to represent information of our school, then definitely you want to include the address. Address means one by line, street name, location, pin code, everything, line by line. So for representing in example, that means address pattern, we are using the tag called address tag. Okay, what is the tag name we are using? Address tag. Okay, so please look at the example for address. Here I am going to include one picture. In that picture, HTML code and also the corresponding and output web page also present. So please look at the web page for address tag. In that address tag, here one example is given, address tag. Okay, I just included the only the body section. So address tag is opened, then State Council Education Research Training SCRT. Then all of you look BR tag. For what we are using BR tag? For terminating the line. Okay, for what purpose we are using? For terminating the line. So after each information, BR tag is present. Once the information is over, we are closing the address tag. Close the address. Open address tag, then once the address is over, close the address tag. Okay, like that we can include address in our web page by opening address and also by closing address. So this is the second tag called address. Second tag is next one. The third tag, it is very important, marquee tag. Okay, very important question. What is the tag name? Marquee. Marquee means scrolling text or moving text. Text is moving format. You know, in some of the news channels we can find no scrolling text. Text is scrolling, important or update, news updates is scrolling like that. So that for representing that kind of information we are using marquee tag. So we can use marquee tag. So before that we will discuss the different attributes of marquee tag. There are different attributes are present. First attribute, height of the marquee. Okay, height of the marquee means it represents the height of the marquee. That means the text. How many height is required for the text. After that, width of the marquee. That means if it is a row-wise format, the width for the marquee. Okay, not for the text, it specifies the space required in the web page. Third one is direction. Okay, in which manner the text is moving. Okay, there are three possible values are available. Not three possible value, four possible values are available. We can move the text up, down, left, right. Okay, how many values? Four possible values. Then after that, behavior. Behavior means in which manner that marquee is representing in the web page. Behavior of marquee. Scroll. It will scroll. Otherwise, in slide manner it will come. So the three values are scroll. Scroll means scrolling text. Slide, picture wise it will come. The next one, alternative. One by one it will come. So the next attribute is behavior. Okay. After behavior, next one is scroll delay. Scroll delay means, and okay, it specify the amount of time. Okay, after how many, that means how the text is repeating or time limit for repeating the marquee. Scroll delay. After scroll delay, next one is scroll amount. Scroll amount indicate the speed. Okay, that means if you want to move it fastly, then we can give value for scroll amount. Then next one, loop. How many times that text want to display on the screen? For that we are using loop. Okay, how many times that text want to display on the web page? For that purpose we are using loop. Then next one, BG color. BG color, background color for the marquee. Then H space and V space, vertical space and horizontal space. So these are the different attributes of marquee tag. First one is height, the section, how many height is required for moving the text. Then width. Then direction, up, down, left and right. Then behavior. Behavior means in which manner the text is coming on the web page. Scroll, slide or alternative. Then next one, scroll delay. Scroll delay indicate seconds. How many seconds it is displaying. Then scroll amount indicate the speed. And loop, how many time. The default value of loop is infinite. Okay, infinite value. Default value of loop is infinite, and BG color for the background color for the marquee, horizontal space and vertical space. So these are the attributes of marquee. With the help of an example, I will explain the working, how marquee is displaying on the web page. Okay, please look at the picture. In that picture, you can identify how marquee is behaving. Illustrate marquee tag. In illustration of marquee tag, please look at the body tag. In body tag, marquee width equal to 50%. What is that? Marquee width is equal to 50%. This will take only 50% of the browser window. If width is equal to 50%, then all of you look, in that 50% means this will take only 50% of width of browser. That means it will scroll. That means it is in scrolling manner. Then all of you look, there is one green color present, no? Green color. Mark Q height is equal to 20, V space equal to 30, BG color equal to hash FFBB0. That means this will scroll from left to right. That means that yellow color. Yellow color means from left to right. What is the direction? The Mark Q will move to right. Mark Q will move to right. Then in the second one, Mark Q scrolling up. What is the direction? Up. Mark Q will move to up. And in the first mark, is there any direction is given? No, there is no direction is given. This will take only 50%. In that picture, no, this will take only that two words are displaying. No other values were present. Clear? So this is how Mark Q is, and also you can identify the different colors, no, green and also yellow color. Green for representing what? Green for representing what? Green for representing the background color. So we can set background color for Mark Q also. Clear? So again we will repeat the different attributes of Mark Q. So you know for what purpose we are using Mark Q? Mark Q is used for scrolling text. Okay, scrolling text. In the previous example, we can view yellow color and also green color. In green color, the text is scrolling up. Okay, it is moving up, but in yellow color, it is moving right, in right direction. So whichever direction we are giving, according to that, we are getting the result. Mark Q is important because HTML is for your practical. So definitely Mark Q question will come, and is also a very important question for your theory. Clear? So again, I will repeat. Mark Q means it is for scrolling text. For moving text, we are using Mark Q tag. Mark Q tag is a container tag. Opening tag and also closing tag will be there. The first attribute for Mark Q is width. Okay, how many space required for representing Mark Q? That's scrolling text. For that purpose, we are using width. In pixel, we can give value, or percentage also we can give value. Second one, direction. In which direction the text is moving? For direction, there are 4 possible value: up, down, left, right. Then behavior, in which manner it is behaving: scroll side, alternative or slide. That means in which manner it is displaying on the screen. Then after that, behavior, scroll delay. Scroll delay means the amount of time, how many seconds it is requiring for displaying the content, the seconds it is representing. Then scroll amount. Scroll amount means specifying the speed. Okay, if you want to increase the speed, then we can increase the speed. If you want to reduce, then we can reduce the speed. Then loop, the default value of loop is infinite. Default value of loop is infinite. Then BG color, background color, H space, horizontal space, V space, vertical space. Clear? Okay, so these are the different attributes of Mark Q tag. So again we will discuss what are the topics or tags we discussed in this video. What is our first tag? Pre-tag. First tag is pre-tag. Pre-tag means in whichever manner we are displaying the text. Okay, if it is a poem or if it is a paragraph, whatever it is, in whichever manner we are representing, it will come according to that on the screen. You don't want to give some special feature. In whichever manner we are representing, it will come on the web page. Second one, address tag. For representing address. For representing the address, we are using address tag. Then third tag was Mark Q tag. Mark Q tag means scrolling text. In which manner we are representing text in scrolling format. For that we are using Mark Q tag. Mark Q tag is very important. All these attributes you want to study because it is a frequently asking question for your board examination. Not only the attribute name, the corresponding value. Example, default value for loop. Infinite, how many time it is repeating, it's very important. Mark Q and also its attribute. Then you want to write one question in your notebook. List out and explain all the attributes. List out and explain all the attributes of Mark Q tag. List out and explain all the attributes of marquee tag. Okay, I already mentioned marquee is very, very important for your practical examination. It can come. So please write neatly in your notebook. So before Tuesday you want to submit your note. Okay, Wednesday we will having the subject wise Google Meet. So if you have any doubt regarding the portion, okay, it relating to tag, attribute, whatever it is, you want to note it down, and when you are having the Google Meet, at that time you can ask to me. Okay, then hope you understood the remaining tags and also its attribute and also the HTML program we will discuss in the next section. Okay, then thank you.